What's up, guys? So it is 6:44 in the morning, getting ready to head out to go to work. Usually I have something in the morning to eat, like breakfast and stuff, but today I just didn't. Kind of woke up a little bit late, and yeah, I mean, usually I don't have like a set time of what, like, what time I'm supposed to be there or whatever. So I kind of be there, like, I mean, obviously I can't be there too late, but I have a time frame between like 7 in the morning to like 8 in the morning. So yeah, but usually obviously I want to be a little bit earlier just because it I'll finish faster. Today it's just a 5-hour day. Basically means that all I have to do is, usually 5 hours, we'll be hitting everything once, and then I kind of get to go home. So so that's kind of what I'm doing. I'm just gonna be driving to pick up the dogs. Either I'm gonna pick up Luna, or I'm gonna pick up Jackson, which is hopefully, if I uploaded that video, you guys have already met Jackson. But yeah, so I'll take you through that, and I'll see you in the next clip. Alright, so I just left my boss's house. I didn't record that just because, I want to keep that private. I don't want to show any addresses by accident or whatever. So just left the house. I got Jackson with me. He likes to hide in between the seats. So right now he's like in there laying down. So I got Jackson with me today. So definitely gonna record and see how he does on the golf courses. The second time working with him, boss trusts me a little more, knows that I understand the job a little bit more, so he gave me Jackson. Really excited to be working with him. He's a good boy, so yeah, we're gonna record that, and yeah, I'll probably time lapse this because it's a long ass ride. It's like a 40-minute ride to my first stop, so I'm definitely gonna just time lapse it, and then I'll see you guys over there. That is Jackson. Pretty boy. Saying hi to the camera. Yeah, he's super nice, super sweet. Maybe we'll take him home today to meet Thor and Loki. Let's see how that goes. But we will see how how they react to him. But yeah, guys, I just wanted you guys to see Jackson, see what he's about. But that's him right there. All right, we're gonna go outside because we see some geese right now. Hopefully it's not too windy, it doesn't sound that bad. But yeah, let's take you guys out there, and hopefully it doesn't sound that bad. This is how you know it's really windy. windy. I'm probably just gonna mute it and put music. Alright, so as you can see, it's pretty easy. Jackson is more of the type to just kind of scare them and not really like chase after them, kind of like Luna. Luna is more of a chaser. He'll kind of just like scare them and look at them, because he was a cattle dog before he came to us, before he came to the company. So yeah, he'll more just give a stare, kind of give them like a death stare type of thing. And if they don't, then he'll kind of like go after them, but he really doesn't like to chase after them anymore, just try to scare them away. But yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, y'all, so we made it back home. Obviously Jax is no longer here with me. I dropped him off at the boss's house, and yeah, I mean, that's pretty much all that I can show you for now. Today's a short day, so that's why there's not much clips of Jackson's going after the geese. But yeah, I definitely will record kind of a more full day in the life from start to end. But yeah, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to keep watching my videos, give me likes, leave comments, subscribe. All that really helps. And for all the supporters out there and my subscribers, thank you so much again for watching my videos and subscribing. And I'm gonna bring you more. See you next time.